model, 65 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x4 3.2 TDCI VAT inclusive engine knocking needs repair. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 119293. Engine, 3198 cc 3.2200 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. And you need repairing or replacing. The knock is not that loud but definitely there. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, alloy wheels, tow bar. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,425 VAT Inc.